Hello there everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A05, which is pretty much Samsung's 2023 entry-level smartphone. So this one is the 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM version. It's also the silver one. So yeah, let's just get straight into the unboxing here. So I just pull this out. Alright, so we have the quick start guide and Samsung Care Plus, and of course USB-C cables. Alright, and here is the phone itself. So let's just pull it out like that. And this is a pretty big and heavy phone, I'm not gonna lie. So this one is a 6.7-inch display. It's also PLS LCD, which is Samsung's proprietary technology. Basically, it's a little better than IPS LCD, so it's brighter, also has better color reproduction, and also better viewing angles. And that's really nice to have on this display. And by the way, this is also 720p, so not 1080p, but still I think pretty good for an entry-level phone, you know. I guess you just slide this. Yep, basically just slide it. So oh, and we have the SIM ejector tool right over here. So yeah, I thought it wasn't included there for a second. Anyway, so here is the phone. So now let's boot it up. Alright, there it is. So as you can see, the back has this glossy finish. Obviously it's plastic. And you also have your dual cameras set up here. So we have our 50 megapixel main camera and also our 2 megapixel depth sensor right here. So that's pretty good to have. So we have the phone in here, booted up for the first time. So yeah, it's very smooth right here. So basically this is One UI Core 5.1, and that is basically Samsung's lighter version of One UI, but it is based on 5.1. So that is pretty good, and we'll see later once we update it. We'll see if it's still on One UI 5.1. As you can see, this pretty much looks a lot like One UI, or the full version. Exterior of this phone, as you can see, it's got flat sides, so definitely nice to see. The camera bump is also very minimal. You also have the buttons on the side right over here. I have the power button, so really clicky buttons there. And we have the power, actually not the power, but the volume rocker as well, right over here. And on this side, this is where you'll put your SIM card. And at the bottom we have our speaker grill, we have a USB Type-C port, microphone, and of course our 3.5mm headphone jack. So it still has that, so it's really nice. Alright, so a quick update. It's now been updated to One UI 6.0. So let's actually take a look at this. So let's just skip this one right here. Now let's see what this looks like. Alright, you got the icons in here. Also switched it to the color palette so that all the apps are the same color. Alright, we've got the new control center right here, which I really like. I am a really big fan of this one. So as you can see, if you click on it, it'll show up this nice interface right here. We also have our Bluetooth right over here. All your other controls are here. You have your brightness slider as well. Let's take a look at the settings. You can see they also changed this. Alright, so they also have the fonts here. Let's actually check that. There we go. So you have the new default font, which is this one. I definitely I'm a fan of this one as well. Alright, so this has also been updated to Android 14. So now that means it's on the latest version of Android and One UI. So that's really good to see. Update is pretty small, around like 1.8 gigabytes, I think. And this one is also the 64 gigabyte version, which means we have around 43.9 gigabytes available right here. Yeah, not a whole lot, but you know, if you're not going to use this phone for gaming or stuff that just needs a lot of storage, and that won't be a problem at all. So yeah, that's all for this short unboxing and first impressions video. The full review will come out soon, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you did subscribe. But that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. Stay well, my friends. Goodbye.